lively streets of New Orleans, where Cajun Remoulade got its start, or a bun factory. Arby's 2 for $5 crispy and Cajun fish sandwiches.
Arby's, we have the meat.
For sandwiches.
Sometimes the pressures of today's world can make it tough to take care of yourself. But Nature's Bounty has innovative ways to help you maintain balance, help keep you active, and well-rested. Because, hey, tomorrow's coming up fast. Nature's Bounty, because you're better off healthy.
Today's Best Western? What does that mean? With rewards points that never expire, you get free nights fast. Now stay 2 separate times and get a free night. Book now at bestwestern.com.
Fox News Channel on Sirius XM. Your favorite shows on Channel 114. Plus, every story, every 15 minutes. Fox News headlines 24/7, Channel 115.
All right. Last month out at UC Berkeley, there was an assault on a young man who was working that is to say, Turning Point USA, trying to recruit people. And then out of nowhere, that guy, Zachary Greenberg, came up. They didn't know his identity for the longest time. He cursed at Hayden Williams, called him a racist, and then struck him while students stood by and watched. And that is Zachary Greenberg, who has been charged with all sorts of things.
It's amazing, but it took him 3 weeks or 2 weeks to find out who he was, even though we had a full shot of his face, and he'd been seen on campus before. Now we find out about his expanded criminal record.
We all wanted to know, like, why would he just walk up to what makes someone that angry? Come on, we can all have political views, but do you have to take it this far? You can disagree and have a debate, but not violence. Harmeet Dillon was on last night, and she was talking about, she's representing Hayden Williams. She was telling us more about this guy, Zach Greenberg. Listen.
Mr. Greenberg, over the past couple of years, has had numerous incidents where he's filed restraining orders against his roommates in multiple group houses. His roommates have put in evidence that has been more